Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe, and before I jump into this video, I wanted to basically cover a couple things with you guys real quick. First of all, thank you, Tito, for providing the content for this channel. Tito's the owner of the 765LT that you're about to see. Rarely do you ever get to see a 765 on track, and if you do, most of the time it's paraded. In this video, you're going to see, Tito's not parading that car around. That car is actually being pushed, and it's, extremely rare to see that, first of all, especially here in the States. But yeah, I'm extremely thankful for that, to have somebody like Tito that is not afraid to, fully send it with me. So, and then the second thing was, for anybody who's going to try and say like, oh, like, how did the 765 not gap the GT3? Like, how is that even a possible, possibility? First of all, the GT3 is no slouch. I'm setting 142s at ACS, which I don't want to sound like I'm tooting my own horn, but I would say that's pretty fast. I only know one other guy in a GT3 that's in the same ballpark or faster, and that'd be Will from WR Technica. So he's setting like a 141.3. Not only that, the 765LT is a massive amount of car for anybody. For a professional, it doesn't matter. It's a lot of car. So, even for a professional, they probably can't even extract all of the, power or the capabilities from that car. So if you think about it, a weekend warrior, probably not even close. So, me and Tito are only doing this for fun. This isn't a job that we're getting paid to do. I mean, I get, YouTube gives me fucking $50 a month. So that's like a tank of gas. I'm not doing this for the money. I'm out here just doing it for just the fun, the love of being out on track. So, and I'm sure he's doing the same thing. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any comments, please drop in the comment section below and I'll get back to it as soon as possible. Other than that, I'll talk to y'all guys later. Peace.